Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Divers Slip-In Sock. So it's named a sock, but really it's a glove. This is really predominantly to help you get in and out of your dry suit or your wetsuit, especially if you have sort of jewelry that you don't want to take off, or you find it particularly awkward getting sort of in and out and you don't want to use like gels or talcs, then you can just sort of slip this onto your hand. Comes in two different sizes. The smaller version is blue, the larger version is black, and it's just like rash vest material, that sort of lycra, and it just means that your hand's going to slip through any seals, and then once your sort of hand is in and your arm is in your dry suit or your wetsuit, you just pull that off and then you're ready to go diving. You can use them as sort of socks for your feet as well if you really wanted to, just to stop your sort of feet from rubbing inside of your fins if you're diving barefoot, but predominantly they're made to help you get in and out of your dry suit. These are the Divers Slip-In Socks. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.